In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay for hotels. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This can be done either through the Afterpay app on your phone or the website, also on your phone or on your computer as I'm doing here. Regardless of which option you choose, what I recommend you to do is to hover over all categories and then select Accommodation from the Categories tab. As you can see, this is going to list us a bunch of hotels, and it's very important that we go through this category window because in order to use Afterpay with hotels, they need to be included and officially here at the Afterpay website or the app. So you need to find your hotel inside Afterpay by looking it up on the search bar over here. After you find a specific hotel you would like to use, simply click on its name and you will be redirected to its page. It is through this redirected link that we can use Afterpay. So after you are redirected, simply go through with the process of looking for the specified hotel that you would like to book. And after you are satisfied with your choices, you just have to sign into the website and you will get the option to use Afterpay once you are signed into the website in the payment methods. As long as you select the hotel from this page and you are redirected to its page, you will be able to use Afterpay in the final methods. But like I said, it's important that you select it through Afterpay itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay for hotels. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.